When you see the many colorful of sticky rice in the local market, if you know how to make it, today we're gonna show you how to make it. Sawaddee ka, I'm Lin from Love Chiang Mai channel. Today we're gonna show you how to make 4 colorful of sticky rice. Okay, so the color that we're gonna make today we have totally is 4 color. The first one is yellow color from the turmeric powder, and the second one is from pea butterfly flower for blue color, and the green color from pandan leaf. Then the last one is the white color from nature, white color from rice. Okay, so for the first color, we will start with yellow color from the turmeric. Spoon, 2 spoons with about 1 cup of sticky rice that already soaked overnight. Okay, so the next we're gonna make the blue color of the sticky rice. So we need the color from pea butterfly flower, but we need to boil it first. Turn on the heat. And then pea butterfly flower. Take the green stem out and drop it. Okay, so the next one is the green color. We're gonna use a pandan leaf. So for the pandan leaf, we need to slice. Okay, so now our rice is ready for cook after we soak the color with the rice more than 1 hour. So, but you have time more than that, you can soak longer so you get more colorful. So we're gonna start with the pea butterfly flower with the blue color. We're gonna take the rice out. have with the colorful, but we're gonna use the steamer. Steamer have two parts. The first one is like the pot that we add the normal water in for boiling, and another one is like steamer with the hole in the bottom. So we're gonna put the rice in, then we put back here and we steam about 30 minutes. So now 30 minutes passed, so our sticky rice ready. Just come and have a look. So I'm gonna take it out. If you like our video, please don't forget click like, share and subscribe so you can follow us in the next video. For today, thank you for following us and watching us. Bye!